We will discussing the superficial palmar arch and deep palmar arch inside the hand. Here you can see this is the medial side and this is the lateral side of the hand. Here you can see this is the artery. It is the ulnar artery which makes the superficial palmar arch passing superficial to the flexor retinaculum, and along with it there is ulnar nerve. So this ulnar artery, before it forming the superficial palmar arch with the superficial branch of the radial artery, this is a superficial branch of the radial artery and this is a continuation of the radial artery. This is a continuation of radial artery and this is the superficial branch of the radial artery. This superficial branch of the radial artery which complete the superficial palmar arch by the joining to the ulnar artery. And this superficial palmar arch which gives the three common palmar digital branches. This is the first common palmar digital branches. This is the second common palmar digital branches. This is the third common palmar digital branches, and this one is the directly branch along. This is the direct branch. It is called the proper digital branch of the ulnar artery. And the deep palmar arch, which is formed by the radial artery, which is passes on the back side deep to the muscles of the thumb, and it is inside the anatomical snub box, and then it enter into the pierce to the first dorsal introsea. Here you can see this is a radial artery, and this radial artery which is pierced to the two head of the first dorsal introsea, and then it goes inside the hand and it enter between the two head of the adductor pollicis. Here you can see this is a passes between the two head of the adductor pollicis, the radial artery which makes the deep palmar arch, along with the deep branch of the ulnar artery, ulnar nerve, and it is joining by the deep branch of the ulnar artery. Here you can see this is the ulnar artery, and this ulnar artery which gives the deep branch. This is the deep branch of the ulnar artery. Along with this is the deep branch of the ulnar nerve which is passes between the abductor digiti minimi and flexor digiti minimi and pierce to the opponent's digiti minimi, and it united with the radial artery and it makes the deep palmar arch. So this is the deep branch of the ulnar artery which is united with the radial artery and it makes the deep palmar arch.